The IKC Innovative Kitchen Product Award finishes 2020 goes to Wurfel Kuche Private Limited for his Vetrite gem glass finish for the Pulse series. Congratulations, Mr. Kaninder Barman.
Thank you, Mr. Satish Kumar, and thank you, Anisha. Today, I'm brimming with pride representing the brand Wurfel Kuche on behalf of all the showroom partners, on behalf of the corporate team, on behalf of the factory. I'll just give a small intro about how Wurfel Kuche was conceived. We were highly inspired by the European kitchen brands, and then we really wanted to understand what is the ingredient that they create to create such magical kitchens, such good design, good looking, good quality kitchens. So that led to the comprehensive research on how to be like a European kitchen brand. And we explored all the European countries, the best countries that produce European kitchens. We met the best of the vendors, the best of the technology partners. And with 3 years of research, finally in 2015, Wurfel Kuche was conceived with a noble intention of delivering European kitchens to the Indian homes at a great price. And that's how Würfel was born, and when it comes to innovation and proactiveness has been a very imperative part of our brand. And we have always looked towards innovations, patents, and delivering new products to the country and enlightening our customers with new things. So that has always been a very important part of our brand philosophy. And today I am really, really happy and proud that we have been awarded this category as the most innovative kitchen category. And it's a matter of pride for us. And thank you again, IKC, for this award. Thank you so much.